This video's the HotJet 3. I'll even say the date is 2024. We're coming up halfway through. The HotJet 3 is still the most versatile jetter made. Twin 35 horsepower gas engines. Got plenty of videos on it. Just want to go through, do a quick walkabout. Of course, this one's got the fancy wheels. Blue collar, thanks Alex, it's number 2. He likes them for versatility, and here's why. You got the different options on the hose reels. You got the 3/8 reel here for small lines. You can hook that to a foot pedal and do really small lines. Down to even a 1/4 inch, 1/8 inch. I've had a few guys run 1/8 inch on that. That'll get through a P-trap too. And then you got the big boy. If you got a big job, you got 500 feet, a 1/2 inch back here. All hydraulic driven. Throttles back here, control box, emergency shut off, cone holder, signage. Nobody's got a package like it. Just want to do a quick walk around. Beautiful spring day. Good excuse to get out in the shop again for me. Just want to do a quick walk around. Got good access to all the, everything's gonna need serviced. You got good access to everything. So the front unit's really the HotJet 2, and the second unit's the Extreme Flow 2, and we combine them. Been doing that 20 years. That's a good combo. Give us a call for your jetter needs. Thanks. Take care.